Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Di Leon and I'm representing my hometown, Morong, in this upcoming Mr. Bataan 2026. And by the way, I'm inviting you all please to support Mr. Bataan 2026 and watch our coronation night at Abukay in March 2026.
Nakailang pageant ka na bang
Yes,
nasali?
actually, this is my second regionals and I competed like this year din on the national stage.
How young are you again? How
I am
young?
25 years old.
25. Are you
To actually join pageants to promote and to spread my advocacy. Yun.
which is ano po yung advocacy?
My advocacy kasi is to give back to my community, so I advocate the banning of single-use of plastic. Yeah.
So, sa tingin mo, meron pa bang kailangang i-improve pa o talagang handang-handa ka na sa March
Well,
na
actually, I joined here prepared. But still, there's no such thing as a perfect person, so I'm still focusing on my communication skill. So kasi when I joined nationals, siguro that's what I lack. Come skills talaga. Siguro, ayun, but in terms naman in my preparation sa physical and my fit, okay naman.
Mo na manalo din sa Mr. Bataan. Ano masasabi mo sa mga supporters mo, sa mga nagtitiwala sa'yo na kaya mo to?
Ayun, syempre siguro I would like to thank everyone, especially God, and sa mga supporters ko, sa mga nagtitiwala sa akin. And trust me guys, hindi ko iano yung support nyo sa akin, hindi ko sasayangin na lang. I will do my best this upcoming pageant.
Good luck so much and thank you for nice meeting you, Mano Ivan. Thank you.
Salamat po.